This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Xterra. It has a 4.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited-slip differential, skid plates, a low-tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, air conditioning, cruise control, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and fog lamps. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
It pays to cross the bridge. Lake Manawa Nissan and Kia. It pays to cross the bridge.
Thank you for considering Lake Manawa Nissan Kia for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in Council Bluffs, Iowa at 920 32nd Avenue. It pays to cross the bridge or make the drive to Lake Manawa Nissan Kia. We look forward to serving you.